speaking of bad.
Yeti recalls 1.9 million soft coolers and gear cases. I have one of these.
Yeah.
I have not the M20. Is mine in here? It is. Oh my God, mine's in here. I love this bag. Can you click over to the other one? That one.
Yeah, everyone. Well, a lot of people.
Wait a second. M30. No, is that one even bigger to the right of that one?
This one's the honker, I think.
M30 2.0. This is what I have in charcoal. The magnet-lined closures can fail and result in detached magnets, posing a risk of serious injury or death if ingested. When 2 or more high-powered magnets are swallowed, the ingested magnets can attract to each other or another metal object and become lodged in the digestive system.
Oh.
This can result in perforations, twisting, and or blockage of the intestines, infection, blood poisoning, and death.
Oh, jeez.
Holy cow.
Yeah, you should return this.
They are very powerful magnets. I can totally attest to that. I'm not really sure how you ingest it. I guess it falls on top of a can and you don't notice. And I think it would be unusual. Probably for kids, it's more
rare.
Probably for kids, it's more of a concern when you got the high-powered magnet. What's interesting is, because I've been a fan of this bag for a while, the previous model had a zipper, no magnet. It had a zipper, but I hated the zipper because it was a tough zipper to use. It was a real tug in order to create the seal to keep the cold in. And then you would go in, and if you had it really filled up, the actual opening to stick your hand in would be pretty tight, and it would scrape against the zipper. And
you told me about this issue.
And on the new one, it's a magnet that opens, and it slaps shut on its own. So it's less likely to be left open, and therefore more likely to stay cold, because anybody who grabs a drink out, it just snaps shut on its own at the top portion. But I knew that those were powerful magnets because I had that baby loaded with more than 30 beers in it, and it would have no problem. Those are heavy boys in there as far as the magnets.
Yeah.
So I get it. If they get dislodged, those are some powerful ones floating around, and they'll give me a refund or replace it. But I don't know. So the new model, I guess they stitched it in there better or something. 1.9 million units sold in the U.S. and then 41,000 sold in Canada. One of them is mine. I call them toll free or email them, or I can click on product recall on the product page on their website. This is a nice little warning here, Will. You're letting people know if anyone has one of these. So the recalled products, it's actually looking like 4 products here. You have my bag, which is the M30 2.0. This also seems to apply to the M30 1.0, which is weird because then I'm like, wait a sec. The 1.0 had a zipper, not magnets. Weird. Sold between March 2018 and January 2023. Okay, mine is definitely one of them.
Oh, so if you're going to get it replaced, you're going to get a cooler, not the actual...
So they didn't fix it on the model. They actually they're just going to give you something different of similar values. So in the case of the M30, you can get the Hopper Flip 18, that's 30 cans, and now you're only getting 18 cans.
Yeah.
That's not a good deal.
That's not.
And then in this case, the M30 2.0, they'll give you a 65 hard cooler. That's not sufficient. I don't use my cooler like that. I got to carry it into the rink.
Yeah.
So that's not going to work for me. I don't know.
And you want the one strap over your shoulder.
I don't think I'm sending my back, Will.
So you're going to take the risk?
I'm going to put a warning label on it. I'm going to put a warning label on it, or I don't know what I'm going to do. Or maybe I can get one with wheels. Is there a Yeti with wheels? Can you go to Yeti's website? I don't have time for any of this. Can you go to Yeti's website? Shout out Turtle 3000.
Okay.
Oh, somebody is sending a Willie Doo appreciation message. Turtle 3000. He says, had to comment on the thumbnail. Looks so sensual with Elon's "Prepare Thyself." I think you maybe have nailed it on a thumbnail, Will.
That was a fun one. Yeah.
Have you finally nailed it on a thumbnail?
I try.
That's you got to love the feedback, though, don't you? Mm-hmm. That's good for you, isn't it? Yeah. Okay.
I appreciate it.
Maybe I'll just do wheels then. Let me see. Can you scroll down? So to get a 30, well, I guess a 48 would be fine. These are pricey though. That's $600.
Yeah.
They are pricey, boys. Can you click on that 48 for me real quick? Yeah. Oh, can you click on a 24 real quick? 24 is not going to be enough. See, that's the thing. I was, oh, no wheels.
No wheels.
Go to a 48 for me real quick. Yeah. Blue, gray, or white. What the hell? They say 48, but then it fits 76 cans. That's huge.
Yeah. Is there like a perspective?
Like a person for scale? I know. It's weird. How big is that? Oh, maybe. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, that's pretty big.
It's not as cool as what I got. I might have to do.
What are you going to do?
For my needs. I do like the drain port, and I know you're a big drain port guy.
Big fan.
Drain plug.
Yeah.
So what are they selling right now for the soft ones? Seeing as how they have to completely redesign.
They're not.
Yeah, right there. Soft coolers.
That's not. Oh.
Yeah. And so the biggest they're going to do here is 18. That's not enough for me, man. 18's not going to do it. I'm dead. I got to go to the hard one or a different brand, I guess. Interesting development, Will. You really hit the nail on the head with that. You got my attention.
Yeah. And I know my brother-in-law has this as well.
Oh, it's a popular one.
So.
I actually got one for my dad for Christmas as well. I love that thing. It's too bad about the magnets. It's very unique. It's much lighter weight than a hard shell. You can, even with a bunch of cans on it, you can carry it on your shoulder, no problem. It's very comfortable padding on the shoulder.
And it's moldable.
Yeah.
There's flex to it.
Yeah, it's a totally different experience anyway.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm going to do. I obviously don't want anybody ingesting the magnets.
Uh-huh.
Somebody told me get two 18s, one 18 on each shoulder.
Yeah.
I guess. Possible. Not that crazy.